Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create chat room in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, let's head over and install a plugin. So on your plugin marketplace of WordPress, search in here for Wise Chat. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched for this, you should be able to see some search results related to their search that you have just made. So you can see in here this Wise Chat by Kainex. So click on this right here. And then from in there, click on this install and activate. And then this will install this particular plugin. So from in here, click on this manage plugin in order to see what it looks like. Now here's Wise Chat. Click on this view details right here, and then this will load in order to see the details. Click on this installation, and then from in there, scroll down, and you can see in here this short code. So head over and copy the short code that they provide. So let's copy it. And then we will actually use that later. Now, in here, what we can do next is we can close this, and we just need to locate the Wise Chat right here. Click on the settings, and here is the Wise Chat settings. So let's head over there, and then you should be able to see this. You can see the mode. It can be a classic chat or Facebook-like chat available in the Wise Chat Pro. And also collect user statistics, enable body press, and also display name as well, and also access for users. So you can add some users right here. You can enable access for roles as well as force username selections, chat opening right here, as well as opening days and opening hours. So when you scroll up, you can also see in here the option for appearance. So click on this appearance. You can make this light gray, cold dark, airflow. For example, for me, I'll just choose cold dark. And I'll put in here a background color, which is, well, dark. And on the font color, let's choose white. And on the font size, let's just choose a default. Then from in there, you can also set in here the messages limit, private messages, recent chat limit as well. So from in there, click on the save changes in order to save all your changes. And then from in there, once it's saved your changes, head over to the part of the page wherein you want to add it. So right now, let's head over to the pages that I have. And now I will add this into my contact us page. So I'll head over and open this edit right here. And now, as you can see, it will open right here, my contact us page. So here it is what it looks like. So let's click on this plus icon right here. And then let's search in here for short code. We have in here our short code. So let me just head over to any part of the page wherein you want to add it. So for example, in this case, let's add this particular short code right here below this. And then from in there, this will actually be added on that specific part of the page. And then let's just paste in here the one that we have copied earlier. And then from in there, save your progress. And then once it's been saved, you can click on this preview icon right here, which is the view page, in order to see what the chat room looks like. So as you can see, here's our contact page, and this is what the chat room looks like right now. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.